Hey guys, JB here from Alpha Wolf Consulting. Well, welcome. This is Building Sales Funnels by me, JB, at Alpha Wolf Consulting. All right, welcome so much to this course. I'm so glad you're here. Let's check it out, and I'll give you a bit of a walkthrough through the course. So we've got a couple of things. This is produced by me. I am your instructor, JB here. And basically in this course, my goal is to help you understand how to use sales funnels to generate income online, either for yourself or for your business. So either, you could be an entrepreneur in the making, or maybe you're just a small business owner who has a brick and mortar business and wants to learn about maybe expanding online and creating new income streams. All right. So what we go through is we've got the introduction to sales funnels. What is a sales funnel? Different forms of sales funnels. So the three that I utilize are lead generation funnels, appointment booking funnels, and product sales funnels. And these piggyback off each other to sort of create, in essence, a robust sales experience for your consumer. Okay. And what we're able to do is we're able to utilize them to position, because in the lead generation, we're positioning the buyer for the appointment booking. In the appointment booking, we're positioning the buyer to basically buy the product. All right, I go through what a lead magnet is, and lead magnets are used in lead generation funnels. And then we go through and we understand, well, how do you use a sales funnel? What is my thesis on sales funnels? How do I set up a sales funnel series? What even is a sales funnel series? My strategy on how to use sales funnels, analyzing your data, optimizing your sales funnels. So this course will give you a base level understanding that we can expand on later to really get you in the mindset of understanding, well, if going online is where my business is going to expand, how do I do it? And how do I move forward in a way to where I've basically, I understand what I'm doing. I understand the meaning and the value of everything that I'm doing, but also I really understand, what are some of the key things? So for example, from me, I am a salesperson. So I am highly passionate about sales. So for example, some people may be highly passionate about design. That is not me. I'm not a design person. So I'm not going to teach you how to design. Well, I do teach you how to design because you have to design, but the majority of this course is going to go around, how do we use a sales funnel to sell? How do we set up a sales funnel to sell? How do we optimize our sales funnels? How do we get something to market, so that we can understand, like, how do we collect data and all of that? So in this course, I hope you enjoy it, but it will give you everything that you need, basically to get started and sort of understand, well, in my business, in my industry, what's going on, where is the opportunity? And that's my goal, is to help you find the opportunity so that you're able to really, really, take off and thrive in your environment. So I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope you enjoy this course. It's been a pleasure for me to create it, and I am very excited. Thanks so much. You have a great day. Bye.